Hi guys, in this lesson, I'm starting a new topic that's called indices and sets. This topic is divided into two parts, indices, and the second part is sets. So let's begin with indices. So in this lesson, I'm going to give you the introduction to indices. What are indices? Indices is a plural form for index, which means power or exponent on a number. The number or a variable which is raised to a given power is called the base. For example, if I tell you 5 power 8. So what's 5? 5 is the base. And what's 8? 8 is the power. Now, there are few rules of indices which we need to know, which I'm going to tell you in the next lesson. But I'm going to tell you the importance of knowing those rules. So if we see these type of questions and we are asked to simplify 8 cube into 8 power 6. Guys, it's very difficult to memorize 8 cube 8 power 6. If it would have been 2 cube, I know that's 8. 2 power 4, I know that's 16. But with numbers like 8, 9, 10, larger number, it's very difficult. Or solve these kind of questions. That's tough. Or maybe this one. 18 power 8 divide by 18 square. 14 power 7 divide by 7 power. So for this purpose, there are laws of indices to make life of a student easier. 1. When the bases are same, powers are different. We take the base common and add the powers. So let's do that. Here if you can see 3 squared 3 power 4. Are the bases same? Yes. Are the power different? Yes. So it's going to become 3 power 6. The answer of 3 power 6 is 729. Do you get this? Now rule number 2. When the bases are same and the powers are different, we take the base common, subtract the powers. So if I see the question here, 3 power 8 divide by 3 power 4. Are the bases same? Yes. Are the powers different? Yes. And is there divide sign in the middle? Yes. So you're going to take the base common and subtract the power. So 3 power 4 is 81. Did you get this? Now comes rule 3. When the bases are different and the powers are same, you multiply the bases, take power common. So if you see here, are the bases different? Yes. Are the powers same? Yes. So I'm going to multiply the bases. 12 cube. My answer of this will be 1728. Did you get this? Now comes rule 4. When the bases are different and the powers are same, and there is a division sign in the middle, you divide the bases and take power common. So let's see here. Are the bases different? Yes. Are the powers same? Yes. So I'm going to divide the bases. 6 upon 2 cube, and it's going to become 3 cube. That's what? 27. Did you get till this point? Let's recall the first four rules. Bases same, power different, and there is multiply sign in the middle. Take the base common. Or if there is a division sign in the middle, the base common, subtract the power. Now comes when the bases are different and the powers are same. Case case of multiply, multiply the bases, power common. In case of divide, divide the bases, take power common. I hope you are clear with first four rules. Now comes rule 5. If the base has the power, whole thing has other power, we take the base common and multiply the powers. So here, if it's written 2 cube power 4, it's going to become 2 power 12. And the answer of 2 power 12 is 4096. So if there is a power with other power outside bracket, you multiply the powers and solve. Now comes rule 6. Anything raised to the power 0 is 1. If the number is too big, power is 0, my answer will be 1. If the number is too small, the power is 0, my answer will be 1. Rule 7. Anything raised to the power 1 is same thing. So 7 power 1 is 7. 1 raised to anything is what? It's 1. And 0 raised to anything is what? 0. Here, there might be a confusion. Sir, what if there is 0 power 0? Will it be 1? No. 0 power 0 is 0. I told you anything raised to the power 0 is 1, but in case of 0, that's not the case. I hope these 9 points are clear. Now let's go through all of them once again last time. So when the bases are same, power different, and multiply in the middle, take the base common, add the power. When divide in the middle, take the base common, subtract the power. Now comes when the bases are different and powers are same. Multiply the base, take the power common. In case of divide, divide the base, take power common. Rule 5. If there is power outside the bracket, we just multiply both the power. Anything raised to the power 0, 1. Anything raised to the power 1, same thing. 1 raised to anything is 1 and 0 raised to anything is 0. That's it. Now I'll be covering the remaining in this lesson. Let's begin with Rule 10. Rule 10 says that indices can't be solved if the power is negative. So in order to solve it, you need to convert to positive first. And how do you do that? You reciprocate this. It's going to be 1 upon 5 square. That's going to be 1 upon 25. So if the power is negative, you reciprocate, power becomes positive, and then you solve. Rule number 11 says if there is any power outside the root, it can also be written as base with the power 1 upon power outside the root. So if it's written quatic root x, so it can also be written as x power 1 upon 4. Did you get till this point? Now comes rule 12. Rule 12 says if there is power on one side of the equation and you need to find x, when this power goes on the other side of the equation, it's reciprocated. So now the question here is I need to find x. So I'm going to write x 8 power 2 upon 3. How will I solve such kind of question? Now listen to me very carefully. First, you see the power of the denominator. What is it? 3. Can 8 be converted to power 3? Yes. I can write 2 cube power 2 upon 3. Now you're going to cancel 3, 3. That's going to be 2 square, that's 4. There is one more way to do it. Now listen to me very carefully. Can I write like this? 8 power 1 upon 3 whole square? 8 power 1 upon 3 can be written like this, cube root 8 whole square. What's cube root 8 answer? 2. 2 squared is what? 4. So whenever you see such questions, these are the two methods to handle these. Let's do two more example of this. The question is this: 36 3 power 2. What's written in the denominator? 2. So you need to convert 36 into any number power 2. Can I write like this: 6 square 3 upon 2? Now 2 and 2 is cancelled out. What's 6 cube? 216. What's the other way to solve this? I can write like this: 36 power half cube. What's 36 power half? Based on rule 11, I can write like this: under root 36 is 6 and 6 cube is 216. In both the case, I'll get the same answer. Let's do one more example. What's the power in the denominator? 81 be converted to number power 4? Yes. I can write 3 power 4. I can easily cancel 4. 3 cube is what? 27. What's the other way? I can write like this: 81 1 upon 4 power 3. So the quartic root of 81 power 3. So it's going to be 3 cube. That's what? 27. So at this point, we have covered laws of separately. But when solving questions, you will realize that each question will involve mixture of laws. So one law will not come separately, mixture of most laws will come. While solving each question, I'm going to relate you to the laws. Okay. So the first type of questions, the easy type of questions look like this. 9 and 27 किस नंबर की पावर होता है guys? 3 square is 9 and again 27 is also 3 power 3. Yes or no? Do you get till this point? So whenever you see such question, always look for a number which has both the numbers in different power, right? Now, can I write like this: 2 2s is 4x minus 2 is equal to 3 power 3x. Did you get till this point? How did I multiply this? Based on rule 5. Rule 5 says what? A power x y becomes what? Axy. Can you recall? Now, if you notice, both the bases are same. You can cancel this. So it's going to become 4x minus 2 is equal to 3x. Now let's solve this further. 4x minus 3x is equal to 2. And the answer of x is what? Did you get till this point? Right? Now let's do one more example, this one. If I see this question, 8 and 16, कौन से नंबर की पावर में आता है guys? 2 power 4 is what? 16. And 2 power cube is what? 8. Right, guys? Based on rule 5, can I multiply this? 4 threes are 12x minus 8 is equal to 2 power 6. Now basis same है, बीच में equal to है. You can cancel these directly. It's going to become 12x minus 8 is equal to 6x. 6x is equal to 8. The value of x will be 8 upon 6. That's what? 4 upon 3. Got this? Let's practice more. If you see this question, 2x square minus 5x. If I notice 64, it's 2 power 6. Yes or no? 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 4, 2 power 3 is 8, 2 power 4 is 16, 2 power 5 is 32, and 2 power 6 is 64. Now, can I shift this in the numerator? So it's going to become 2 power minus 6, yes or no? Now, if you notice, now, if you notice, on both sides of equal to the base is 2, I can cancel this directly. And it's going to become x squared minus 5x is equal to minus 6, right? So when I shift this 6 on the other side, it will become plus 6. Now what are the factors of 6? 1 6 is what? 6. 2 into 3 and 1 into 6. What factors will I use? What's the sign here? Plus. So you need to use those factors which add up and make 5. So I'm going to use x squared minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Take x common, x minus 2. Take minus 3 common, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now, can I write like this? X minus 3, x minus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 2 equal to 0. My one value of x will be 2 and other will be 3. Got this? Let's practice more. Now this is the question I'm supposed to solve. If you notice, can you convert all these to the power of 2? Yes, I can. So let's write 2 power 2 makes 4. X plus 1. Divide by 2 x minus 1 is equal to 32 को can I write power 5 x upon 3 multiply by 8 को I can write 2 cube 1 upon 3. Yes or no? Can I cancel this? Yes, I can. So it's going to become 2x plus 2 based on which rule? Rule number 5. If the power has this, it will become axy. Yes or no? Now, it's going to become 5x upon 3 multiplied by 2 power 1. Rule number 1 says if the bases are same and the powers are different and there is multiply sign in the middle, you take the base common, add the powers. That's what I did. Is equal to, based on rule number 10, if I shift this x in the numerator, it will become minus x. And if I shift this minus 1 in the numerator, it will become plus 1, right? Now, on both sides of equal to, bases are same. Let's cancel out. 2x minus x makes what? X plus 3 is equal to 5x upon 3 plus 1. Yes or no? Now, let's shift this here. X minus 5x upon 3 equal to 1 minus 3. Let's find LCM into 3 into 3. So that makes 3x minus 5x upon 3 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2x is equal to minus 6. Minus minus cancel out. What's the value of x? 3. Got till this point, guys? Let's do a few more examples. So if I see this question, it's written 2 power x minus 3 upon 8 power minus x is equal to 32 4 power half x. First thing you need to see, can I convert this to same power? Yes. 2x minus 3, 8 can be written as 2 cube minus x is equal to 2 power 5, 2 square 1 upon 2x, right? I can cancel this 2. So now it's going to become 2x minus 3 divided by 2 minus 3x is equal to 2 power 5 divided by 2 power x. Now when this 3x will go in the numerator, it will become what? Positive, based on rule 10. And when this x will go in the numerator here, it will become negative x. Now the bases are same on both sides of equal to. You can cancel this. It's going to become 4x minus 3 is equal to 5 minus x. So it's going to become 5x is equal to 8, and my answer of x will be 8 upon 5. Got this? Let's do one more example in this lesson. Here, if I notice, can I convert everything to the power of 5? Yes, I can. 25 को can I write 5 square power y is equal to 5 cube power y plus 3 divide by 5 square 2 minus y, right? It's going to become 5 4y minus 1 5 power 2y is equal to 5 3y plus 9 divide by 4 minus 2y. Yes or no? So based on rule 10, can I shift everything in the numerator? So plus 2y will become minus 2y. And here 3y minus 9 minus 4 plus 2y. Opposite sign when it goes in the numerator. On both sides of equal to bases are same. 2y minus 1 is equal to 5y plus 5, right? 2y minus 5y makes what? Minus 3y. 5 plus 1 makes what? 6. Can I say that minus 3y is equal to 6? The value of y will be minus 2. Do you get till this point? In next lesson, let's practice. Let's begin. If I notice this question, can I convert all these to the power of 3? Yes, I can. Let's do that. 9 means 3 square power 2y. Divide by 3, 7 minus y. 3 power 4y plus 3. Divide by 3 cube power y minus 2. Yes or no? Now, can I write 3 4y? 3 7 minus y is equal to 3 4y plus 3 divided by 3 power 3y minus 6. If we shift power in the numerator, it's going to become opposite sign. To plus 7 will become minus 7, minus y will become plus y. If we shift this also, plus 3 minus 3y plus 6. 3 and 3 cancel out because the base is same on both sides of equal to. 4y plus y makes 5y minus 7 is equal to 4y minus 3y makes what? Y plus 9. So 5y minus y is equal to 9 plus 7. That makes 4y is equal to 16. And what's y? 4. Got this? Now the next question. If you see, can you convert this to power of 2? Yes, I can. 6 square is 36. 2y minus 5 divided by 6 power 3y is equal to 6 2y minus 1. 6 cube is what? 216 power y plus 6. Now, can I write 4y minus 10? 6 power 3y is equal to 2y minus 1. 6 power 3y plus 18. Got this? Now, if I shift everything in the numerator, the powers will become negative of the denominator to minus 3y minus 18. If on the both side of equal to bases are same, I can cancel out. Now, 4y minus 10 minus 3y is equal to 2y minus 1 minus 3y minus 18. If I solve this further, y minus 10 minus y and minus 19, right guys? If I shift this y here, it's going to become 2y minus 19 plus 10. So 2y is equal to minus 9. Y is minus 9 upon 2. Y is equal to minus 4.5. Got till this point. Let's do one last question of easy level. 1 upon 32 as a power of 2. How will I write that? 2 power 5 and square root means 1 upon 2. Can I write like this? 1 upon 2 power 5 upon 2. When it will come in the numerator, it will become this. That's the answer of part 1. In part 2, about 64, can I write 2 power 6, 1 upon x? So my answer will be 2 6 upon x. Got this? Now part 3. How will I solve this? 64 1 upon x I just found out is equivalent to what? 2 power 6 upon x. This is 2 power x is equal to 1 upon under root 32 I found out is equivalent to what? 2 power minus 5 upon 2. Got this? If this x will come in the numerator, it will become minus x, right? Now, can I cancel 2 and 2? Yes, I can. It's going to become 6 upon x minus x is equal to minus 5 upon 2. Let's find LCM. Into x into x. So it's going to become 6 minus x squared upon x is equal to minus 5 upon 2. Now, can I cross multiply this? So this will become 2 6 minus x squared is equal to minus 5x. So 12 minus 2x squared is equal to minus 5x. Let's shift everything on the left hand side because 2x squared should be positive, right? Now 2 12s is what? 24. What are the factors of 24? 1 24s are that doesn't make 5. 2 12s are that doesn't make 5. 3 into 8, does it make 5? Yes. I'm going to use 2x squared minus 8x plus 3x minus 12. Can I take 2x common, x minus 4? Can I take plus 3 common, x minus 4? So it's going to become 2x plus 3 and x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x minus 4 equal to 0. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. What's the value of x? Minus 3 upon 2 and plus 4. Do you get till this point? So at this point, I'm going to end this easy questions here. Till then, take care. Bye.